Hey, it's Dave with Creation Crate, and I wanted to give you a quick tour of our brand new classroom kit. Now, many of you are familiar with our subscription service. Every month, we send out a new project to subscribers that teach you electronics and coding. But what we found is a lot of makerspaces and libraries and schools are beginning to use that in the classroom. And instead of getting 12 different boxes for all of your students, we put the first 12 projects into this classroom kit. Okay, let's take a quick look inside the classroom kit. So the classroom kit has 12 different projects that have all the instructions, everything that you need to get started. As a matter of fact, if you're an English teacher with no technical experience at all, we have everything that you need to be able to teach electronics and coding to your students. Now, inside the kit, we have a board that you can mount your breadboard and Arduino on. It makes it a lot easier to do the projects. We have our Facebook Messenger tokens. We have all the components that you need, like your servos, your strength gauge. We've got a ton of LEDs and buttons and switches and some LCD screens and batteries and power sources. There are a ton of things to get you started. So if you're looking to bring STEM into your school or your makerspace or your library and you don't have a lot of people with deep technical experience, it's okay. We have designed it just for you.